Hello children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, coming. Why are you late, Rushan? Oh, I got it. Your mom told me that you are watching TV till late night and wake up very late. So you are late for your school. Go sit down on your place. Okay. So students, today we discuss good habits. So tell me one by one good habit. Okay? Stand up. One tell.
Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning.
Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day.
Take a bath every day.
Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes.
Cut your nails on a time. Cut your nails on a time. Comb your hair neatly. Comb your hair neatly. Go to the bed early at night. Go to the bed early at night.
Wash your hand before and after the food. Wash your hand before and after the food.
Eat a healthy food. Eat a healthy food.
So students, these good habits you have to follow. And stand up, we have to sing a song on good habits.
Brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Wash your face. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Wash your face. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Comb your hair. Comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Comb your hair. Comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Eat your food. Eat it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, eat it every day. Eat your food. Eat it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, eat it every day. Drink your food. Drink it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, drink it every day. Drink your milk. Drink it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, drink it every day.
So students, you have to follow these good habits. Okay? Enjoy your habits.